So, you've probably dreamed of making it big in the financial markets, but you're thinking, where on earth do I even begin? Well, today we're going to break down one very direct take on how to take that first absolutely crucial step. Let's just dive right in.
It really all boils down to this one powerful ambition, doesn't it? To go self-made. And that's more than just a cool phrase. For a lot of people, it's the ultimate endgame. It's about paving your own way on your own terms.
Okay, so that's the dream. It's powerful, for sure. But let's be honest, it can also feel kinda huge. Overwhelming, even. So what's the actual first thing you need to do? The source we're digging into today gives a very, very specific starting line.
So, our journey starts with what the source calls unlocking secrets. Now, don't worry, this isn't some spy movie stuff. It's really just about getting access to one specific piece of knowledge. So, what is this magic key?
The source material puts it pretty bluntly. You need to get your hands on secret information. This is what supposedly separates the people who are just watching from the people who are actually in the game. It makes you wonder, right? What is this big secret they're talking about?
And here it is, the big reveal. The secret is all about understanding options trading. Now, hold on. Before your eyes glaze over at the jargon, think of it like this. An option is a tool that gives you leverage. It lets you control a stock for just a fraction of its actual price. And that's exactly why it's seen as such a key for anyone looking to make some serious moves in the market.
To put it as simply as possible, this source is basically saying that understanding options is the foundational skill you absolutely have to have. It's framed as a secret key because it lets you play the game in a totally different way than just buying some stock and hoping for the best. So, if options are the key, what's the very first step to actually using it? I mean, how do you put that key in the lock and turn it? This is where all that knowledge turns into real-world action, and it's all about setting up your account. And the call to action here is super direct. Open an account as soon as possible. The message couldn't be clearer. Don't procrastinate. Don't wait. The first real tangible step is to build the vehicle you're going to need to even get on the road.
And look, opening an account isn't some big, scary mystery. It really just breaks down into 3 pretty manageable things you can do. You choose a platform, you fill out the application, and you put some money in it. This whole checklist approach is meant to take the fear out of it and turn a huge goal into a simple process you could literally start today.
And you've got to understand this one single action is framed as this huge moment of transformation. It's the step that takes you from being someone on the sidelines just watching to an active player. You're not on the outside looking in anymore. You're officially in the game.
Okay, so we've got the goal, we've got the tool, and we've got the very first action. Let's just put it all together and look at the complete path that's been laid out for us.
So there it is. The path starts with that big goal, to be self-made. It uses options trading as the so-called secret key, and it all kicks off with the simple act of opening an account. It's all presented as this straightforward 3-part journey just to get you started.
So this roadmap gives you a really clear starting line, no doubt about it. But opening an account, that's just the start. It really brings up a much bigger question, doesn't it? Once you're actually in the game, what does it truly take to win? The real journey, the discipline, the constant learning, the managing risk, that's what really defines the path to becoming self-made. And that's the part that comes right after you click Submit.